Good morning, JSerra. I'm Kira.
And I'm Nick. Welcome back to the Lion Report.
First up are today's announcements. The premiere of the spring play Little Women is rescheduled for Thursday, March 18th at the Regency Director's Cut Drive-In. Be sure to get your tickets online.
And don't forget today, during lunches A and B, there will be a spring club fair with over 40 clubs represented. The clubs at the event will have Christian service opportunities, curriculum support services, and other fun social interests. Get involved and join. JSerra.
Attention all TLC mentors and transfers. The TLC March event has been moved to next Thursday, March 25th. There will be a St. Patrick's Day themed games and delicious snacks. It will be at the center room during both breaks. Hope to see you guys there.
And finally, Food Truck Friday is back this Friday, March 19th, during both lunches with our favorite sweets from Drizzle OC with gigantic funnel cakes and drinks, as well as Stick-a-Berry. So be sure to bring cash and enjoy the deliciousness.
So Nick, did you give up anything for Lent this year?
Actually, I didn't. I'm Jewish.
Well, that's awesome. But in honor of Lent, Jillian is back with today's edition of her Lenten quotes. Take it away, Jillian.
Good morning, JSerra. I'm Jillian Shade, and here is your daily Lenten quote. Father, help me to see this holy season of Lent as a time of spiritual renewal rather than a time of deprivation. Motivate me to reach a new level of experiencing your grace. It is common for all of us to feel Lent as a dreaded period in time where we must abstain from so much. However, let us all try and view Lent as a growing experience and one that can move us closer to our end goal of heaven. Have a great day.
Great work, Jillian.
So Kira, I know you like Lucky Charms because you have them every single day before class.
Yeah, what can I say? They're definitely my favorite.
You're in luck because Grace is going to teach us how to make Lucky Charms Rice Krispy treats.
So excited. Let's go check it out. Wow, I'm definitely gonna have to try that for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, speaking of St. Patrick's Day, Lola and Grace went out to test some of the Shamrock shakes that are out this week. Take it away, guys.
So today we're going to be taste testing a Shamrock Oreo McFlurry and a regular Shamrock shake. So one thing that I already don't like about it is this is how I got it all watery. It just doesn't look very appetizing.
It's not a shake consistency. It's like melted.
It's green milk.
It's green milk. That's what it is.
And then on the other hand, we have a Blizzard. You know,
No, McFlurry.
the whole like. I know it's a McFlurry.
You called it a Blizzard.
Grace, honey, because you do this, and with the Blizzard they tip it over.
Oh, I thought that was.
That was the whole point of our joke. You just ruined it.
Oopsie.
Okay, so first we're gonna taste test the
Don't. It's gonna.
Shamrock shake.
It's gonna spill.
It just tastes like a vanilla like shake.
I feel like I just drank a
Actually-
tube of toothpaste.
I'm
Minty fresh.
not minty at all.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It just tastes like milk to me. Okay, so out of 5 leprechauns, instead of 5 stars,
4.
5 leprechauns, oh, I give it a 2.
Good. That's good.
That's really good.
That's really good. Not
That
minty
is
at
good.
all, though.
It's not, it's just an Oreo McFlurry, basically. And they somehow made it green.
Yeah, it's like it's an Oreo McFlurry with green food coloring.
I don't know how they did it, but they did.
I'm disappointed though. It's not minty. The whole point of it is it being
I know.
minty.
Well,
Maybe it's not minty and my brain is just thinking it is.
It's not minty at all, I promise you. It's literally just tastes like green milk.
This is minty.
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay, well, I give the McFlurry
I give
5
this a 2.
leprechauns. Maybe 4.5 because it's not minty like it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
If it was minty, then it would be a 5. But my final decision is 4 leprechauns.
I agree because it's just a normal McFlurry.
I actually hate McDonald's, so the fact that I did this is really surprising.
Wow, that looks perfectly artificially flavored.
I agree. Well, unfortunately, you have to get back to class, Lions. I'm Nick.
And I'm Kira. Have a great day, Lions.